tutorial, I will walk you through the step-by-step process that how you can get a free and long time API key from DeepSeek, Hugging Face, and OpenRouter. Okay, so these are the free sites which will help you to get a free and long time API key from it, and then paste in your code and run the chatbot, etc., without paying any fee to OpenAI, etc. All right, so what you have to do, just go to the browser, and here in the browser just search for the DeepSeek like this, HTTPS. Okay, and here you will find like platform.deepseek.com. I will put the link of this, okay, in the video description below. From here you can directly access the portal. So just click on the link. Here it will redirect you to the main site, okay, where you can get a free API key from here. So as you can see at the left side of the site, here you will find the API keys, and the next one is top up and then billings. So here is the you don't have to pay any fee. This is DeepSeek. This is only a platform which is totally free, and don't need any fee to pay or upgrade it, okay, like ChatGPT. So what you will have, just click on the API keys on the left side of the site, and here is the overview about the key. Like, your API keys are listed below. The API key is only visible and can be copied once at creation. So as you can see, for creating the API key, just click on the create a new API key and give it name accidentally. For example, I just wanted to create my API key for chatbot. Okay, so I will give it a name chatbot and then click on the create API key button. So our API key have successfully created. Now you can copy the key and click on the done button. After copying the API key, you can go to your IDE where you wrote a code for creating a chatbot, and then paste your API key in the exact section, API key section, okay, over there. So this was about that how you can get the API key from the DeepSeek, which is the world's largest search engine like ChatGPT. So the next one is if you don't like to use the DeepSeek API key, then I have prepared other platforms which is actually called the Hugging Face. It's working on the basis of token rather than API keys. All right, for getting the API key or token from the Hugging Face, you just have to open the Hugging Face. Okay, I will put the link of this one website in the video description below, and this is a really good platform where you can also complete the courses like LLM, large language model, the fundamental of natural language processing, and the fundamental of chatbots, introduction to chatbots, etc., and can get a free certificate from this website or from this company, and the certificate is registered. Don't worry about that. So our purpose is to get the free API key token from the Hugging Face. For that, you will have to click on the create new token at the right side of the site. So you will have to give it a name, a proper name. For example, I just wanted to create my API key from English boat. Okay, so just write a name, English boat. Okay, for example, if you wanted to create an English boat which help to the students to talk with them in English language and understand the structure of English, grammar, etc. So just for that, you will have to give it a name. All right, don't touch each and everything else depending upon your project. So if you wanted to repositories, so you can read access to content of also, I recommend to don't touch each and everything else. This is a bit confusable structure here. Enterprise, the chatbot, we need an API key which can also manage calls, messages, etc. So yes, you can also do that. And then here is webhooks. Okay, here's webhooks, and as well as collections, and then discussion and posts and billing, etc. So don't touch other steps. As you need, just scroll down below and click on the create token. For getting the API key, you will hear you can get the token freely, but it depends upon your project. For example, if you wanted to paste this one token in your project area, so be sure to write the exact code for this token. This is separately and a bit different than API to write a code for the API key in Python language. I will explain that in this time. Okay, so here you can just copy the API key or token right by clicking the copy button and then click on the done button. So here is your API key. As you can see, we have successfully generated our API key 1 minute ago. It just accidentally showed a time, and here's our API key. And if you want to delete your API key, so you have to click on the delete button. And if you want to edit it, edit permissions, and refresh. If you want to refresh the API key, so you can. Otherwise, this is just your token. You can copy and paste in your code area, and it will work like an API key. So the next one is about API key to get API key from the OpenRouter.ai. This is also the search engine where you can get the free keys for a long time and then use it for your work or for a specific purpose as you need it. Okay. Here, this is just the direct links to the sites, and I have already created my account on different sites. So be sure to create your account on DeepSeek first for getting the API key for free, and then Hugging Face, okay, and then OpenRouter, okay. So I would recommend if you wanted to get API key for your work, so just get it from the DeepSeek. This is recommended, okay. I can also understand about it how you can create a key on OpenAI platform, like to get from the ChatGPT, but there's it will need to pay it because it doesn't give a free trial. Yeah, it has some free trial, but the trial is finishing very sharply, like within 1 hour and a half of an hour and other 30 minutes, and after that your project or your chatbot will not be able to give the positive response to the user. So for getting API key from this site, just click on the API key section at the left side of the site. As you can see, here's the settings and here's the credits, okay, then presets, and then API keys section. Just click on the blue button. As you can see, create API key. For creating API key, you have to give it a name, proper name. For example, I just wanted to create chatbot here again, and then credit limit optional. This is optional. If you wanted to leave it, you can. Advanced setting, if you want to do advanced setting for your API key or for your project, so you can. Otherwise, just leave it. Just complete your purpose from this side and get a free key. So this is our API key as we can get from this side as well. So for copying the key, just click on the copy button and then paste this key in your code section area in the ID integrated development environment. So this was just a short video about that how you can get a free API keys from the 3 different sites, which is search engines, and you can the most important or crucial things here that you can do some pre-courses from the Hugging Face, and you can also receive the certificate upon course completion. So hope you like the video and understand about this very well. I will create another one video in this of time to that how you can put and how you can write code for the API key during your project. So hope you like the video and subscribe our channel. So until further process, we have to wait for the next video. Then I'm going to decorate on deep learning, etc. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.